This is an Xpozer. This is how it comes in a little triangle box. And this is how you put one together. Now your print may have a protective cover on it, and if it does, go ahead and leave it on. And we'll remove it after it gets up. This one I already took it off, so. Take the frame, and it's real simple to put together. Put the ends in. Make sure that the tabs all go the same way. So here the tabs are facing down. So I'll put that down and make sure the tabs are facing down on this way. And when you put it on this side, push the tabs in and then push this all the way in. And that gives you the slack that you need. Set that off to the side. Make sure you have as clean of surface as you can. Take the print very carefully. Lay these out, protect the surface. Carefully lay it down. Take the frame and place. You're going to come in for a little bit. So the plastic tabs here slide in to the corner, and they have a little bit of give, so you can move it around a little bit to get it in place. And do that on these first two corners, and make sure that they both slid into those corners. Then come on the other end and do the same thing. And it's okay to get a little bit of wrinkle because we're going to take that wrinkle out in a little bit. So make sure everything's slid in. Then, on the side that you had the tabs, just slowly push that out and make sure that all the tabs are in, all the corners, and then you just finish pushing it out. The tabs pop. This is now under tension. And there's your Xpozer print. It's a vinyl, but you can see that it has kind of the properties of a metal. It'll be offset from the wall that you mount it on by 1/2 inch to 3/4 of an inch, which kind of gives it that gallery look. But it's about 1/3 to half the price of a metal print. So then all you have to do is find a place to put the single mount on the wall wherever you want it, and you can put it anywhere you want.